that moment?
It's kind of hard to say it was an exact moment I said, wow. Oh, well, I guess that was, but I can't remember. I remember there was a moment like that, but I don't remember what was happening or what we were doing.
Nakasabi.
I can't say. It was just over the course of how many weeks. I started to think about it more and more. I started to
Okay.
a lot. It was scary. But yeah, I can't say for sure.
No exact moment.
There was, but I forget what was happening. I remember saying it though to Bailey. Like, oh man,
I remember that.
think I'm fine for this.
Oh, how about for Mino? Para kay Mino, kailan mo nasabi o paano mo kapag nalaman sa puso mo na talagang may nararamdaman ka na?
Nung nagsimula kami na sa Lumaban, di ba nag-date kami doon, na parang, ala, ito na nga yun yata. Yung parang gano'n na parang, sarili ko, Diyos ko, ito na nga yung ayoko mangyari sa sarili ko, yung parang gano'n. Kasi, syempre, sobra kasi hindi pa ako nakakamugod dun sa nangyari sa dati sa akin, madali ako nagkaanak. Tsaka iba pa nun yung medyo madami nangyari sa buhay ko dati, sa lockdown na yan. Kaya parang ayoko munang iulit. Dahil pampasatan lang ng ulo yan. Hindi nakakabuti sa akin. Kaya parang, ayun, kaya parang ayoko bang magmahal ng isang tao. Pero yun, ayun na nga. Nagsimula na kami dun sa date, sa loob ng bahay. Alayan na nga.
Nung pumayag